How to log into your Plum app after forgetting your password. So in here, the very first thing to do is simply open your Plum application after making sure it's installed through your App Store or Play Store. Then from here, simply tap on login. So after tapping on login, we'll get into this particular link of your login page of Plum where you'll need to add in all of the credentials of your account. So simply add in your email address and password and then tap on login, then you'll be logged into your account, right? So unfortunately, if you have forgotten your password, then tap on the option forgot your password right here. Then all you need to do is add in your email address, then tap on next. Then you might actually get a link on your email ID. So all you need to do is open your email inbox and then tap on that exact link sent by Plum. Then in there you can actually go through the process of how you'll be able to reset your password. And after successfully resetting your password, you can come back to your login page right here, and then from there you can actually simply add in the password of your account, then tap on login in order to log into your Plum app. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.